Hi guys, I'm Lakshit. Welcome to Just Ordinary Things, only on Technosats Take It You. Let's go to today's video. Today's video is about buzzer alarm using touch sensor. Okay, let's go to the video. So this is the sensor which I'm going to use, and this is the working concept behind the sensor. So basically there are two plates. One is the touch plate and is the ground plate. Ground plate is connected to the ground and touch plate is the capacitive difference between the plates and the body capacitance gives us the value of the sensor. So okay, let's start buzzer alarm using touch sensor. So for this project we need components like a capacitive touch sensor, an Arduino Uno board, and some jumper wires to connect. Either you can use a breadboard to connect, or you can directly go with jumper wires, one LED, one buzzer, and Arduino bus cable for doing this project. So these are the components we just said before. It's been days, so let's not wait and start the project. Okay, let's assemble. Yeah, so I'm taking this Arduino Uno and the touch sensor, and I'm giving the terminals that I need to connect. For example, voltage VCC, ground, and the data pin is given to any digital pin except D1 and D2, because D1 and D2 are TX RX pins which can be connected to Bluetooth for receiving Bluetooth signals. So I'm giving this connection to the VCC and ground of this Arduino board, that is 5 volt and ground. I can use also 3.3 volt, but the voltage will not be that much good, as many of them asked me in the previous videos. 5 volt, some sensors need 5 volts and some sensors need 3.3 volt. The maximum voltage that Arduino board can give is 3.3 volt and the 5 volt. Arduino board can take up to 9 to 12 volts. So let's go give the connections. I am giving the LED to the 13th pin of the Arduino Uno and the ground to ground itself, so that whenever I get a value from the sensor, my LED blinks. So I am using an LED here in order to check whether the code is correct or not. So after checking the code, I am going to use the buzzer. Okay, let's plug in and code the program. The code is available in the description. Please click on it. So this is the code which I am going to work on in the Arduino board, and the code has been uploaded. So the code algorithm is like, whenever I detect a sensor value, the value is given to the board, digital board, and the digital value is detected, like threshold value voltage will be sensed by the Arduino board, and based on the threshold value the output is given to either to blink an LED or not, meaning that the output voltage should be given to the 13th pin of the Arduino. So now I am giving a buzzer here. So since the buzzer has a wire, I need to pick it, like I need to make it sharp and then I need to insert it properly. Either you also use soldering at the bottom of the Arduino, but make sure that your Arduino doesn't get damaged. So yeah, and many of you guys asked me about the Arduino coding and the all kinds of sensors video. Please tell us your comments and doubts on Arduino or anything. We can also help you out. Okay, so what I am given is, I have given a threshold values as same as we have worked before. Instead of an LED output, we have given the buzzer on. So whenever I press this sensor, the buzzer rings. So okay guys, you can also use this as a alarm or kind of a buzzer or kind of a door alarm or something else. Okay, hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment. Do subscribe us, and do check out our Instagram, FB and LinkedIn, Twitter pages also, and also visit request.in, avail your robotics courses, and thank me later. Okay, hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Technosats Take It You. Take a pic and tag us at Instagram, techquest.india. Thank you guys. Bye bye.